Well, that's Mimi's fault.
Then you brought down here, not up here, not here, here. Go on the station, go down here.
That was Mimi. Mimi was the one looking at it.
It's Mimi.
Sorry.
You forgot to do up, down, down, here, here,
I put 2 bridges.
here, 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 here. And this bridge got to go up on a rock, and this got to go up, and this got to go down, up,
I'm sorry. Why don't you go fix it?
around here. I can't break it.
You'll break it?
And this go, and the truck goes down again, and this truck goes down again, and this truck goes round and around and around and around and around and around. Okay, I need you guys to do this.
Alright, but we can't because we're coloring.
We told you that.
When you're done coloring, that come up there, okay? When you're done coloring, then come up there.
Okay, but it'll probably be for like another hour because we have a lot of coloring to do.
Who bites this off?
You keep reminding us.
Guys, who bites this off?
Layla.
Layla,
What?
pick that up. Don't leave it on the floor.